Ahoy and welcome back to my channel, welcome back to Code Busted. In this video I'm going to show you how I built my very own Power Rangers Dino Fury Communicator. Let's go! For the video screen element I used a magnet and some 1mm and 4mm foam and super glue, of course. Using a pair of compasses, I drew a ring onto 4mm foam. I carefully cut it out and added the symbols with a very sharp box cutter. I used 3 layers of 2mm foam to build the wristband. Bend it carefully to give it some shape and secure the basic shape of the communicator to it. I used 5mm foam for this element. I used 4mm and 2mm foam for the next layer of foam. The little yellow details are made of 2mm foam. Now put everything together and add another layer of 2mm foam to complete the wristband. Punch some holes into it as well. And now you can add some Velcro using hot glue. Now that we combined every single piece, it's time to prime. And I used 2 layers of normal black acrylic paint as a primer. After the paint has dried, I used metallic paint or metallic pens to finish the prop and give it some color. And that's it. This is our final Power Rangers Dino Fury Communicator. I hope you enjoyed this quick and simple tutorial, and thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.